Frigidaire refrigerator model FFTR2021QS error codes. Frigidaire 30-inch freestanding top freezer refrigerator with 20.4 cubic feet total capacity, 2 glass shelves, 1 cubic feet freezer capacity, right hinge with reversible doors, crisper drawer, automatic defrost, ready select controls, CSA certified in stainless steel. Error codes. Code. Op in freezer temperature display. Problem. Freezer temperature sensor open. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the freezer temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code. Shish in freezer temperature display. Problem. Freezer temperature sensor shorted. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the freezer temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code. Op in refrigerator temperature display. Problem. Refrigerator temperature sensor open. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the refrigerator temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code. Shish in refrigerator temperature display. Problem. Refrigerator temperature sensor shorted. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the refrigerator temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code. SI-EF. Problem. Evaporator fan circuit failure. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator and check the evaporator fan wire harness connection in the freezer. Code. SI-CE or SI-CF. Problem. Communications failure between the electronic control board and user interface. FIX. Unplug the refrigerator and check the wire harness connections between the user interface and the electronic control board.